Hi guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and the Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dixie all went sideways. Not really anything to talk about, but Bitcoin is doing amazing over here. What we've seen today is massive spot buying, and when massive spot buying is going on, funding and premiums and all do not really matter. We're just going up. We are just going up. Last night we saw a little bit of a fake out over here. This candle, I was very scared. I shorted it, and at one point I realized, no, this was actually the bottom. We're not going more down. So I longed very hard at 51k basically, and on high leverage, very high leverage. And I woke up and the price was at 53k, and I was like, whoa, that's nice. And yeah, that's basically how my day was. So yeah, pretty good. We will take a closer look at it over here. What basically happened, we tapped this support over here last night, as we were just talking about it. And I mean, the hourly candles, man, like this was basically a really nice short trap. A lot of people shorted over here. I shorted over there, and you could see me flip-flopping on Twitter. I sometimes post about my trades. Arthur Hayes came back, and that's the old CEO of Bitmex, and he has caused a lot of people PTSD. Yeah, if you're in crypto for a longer time, you would know why. I'm not gonna go into that for now, but yeah, that was basically a perfect short trap over here. I longed it at 51k. Could have gone way lower, of course, but yeah, that was a perfect entry. And yeah, I woke up around here, and yeah, we just kept mooning. So yeah, let's talk about targets. Well, what do we see? I mean, I don't see this thing stopping yet. Let me check real quick, because I think, you know, this is being pushed up by spot buying, and that is still the case. We're going way higher, guys. We are going way higher. Yeah, so targets, I don't know. When spot buying stops, that's where we top out. Until then, you know, we're just gonna go higher. People are very eager to short it, and I know why, because we're just going straight up. But yeah, that won't be the top, not yet. As soon as spot buying stops, then we can look for reversals and stuff like that. Right now, the big resistance psychologically is 55k, because it's a round number, simple as that. But for now, I'm just long in my longs. Ethereum is going for 20k, and I think we will see that soon enough. Today, you know, there's no point really in looking at alt-BTC ratios, because like I said before many times, if Bitcoin is doing its thing, get out of your alt-BTC ratio trades, because they will go down. Look at it, Ethereum BTC over here as well. So yeah, that's that. Link almost all-time highs. Link USD looking very good. Had a very clean break of this trend line over here. I'm all about trend lines and horizontals, and liquidity. And liquidity is probably hard for most people. You can contact me if you want to know more about that. I mean, Links looks like it's gonna go for all-time highs today. Leo, I covered Leo. It's an exchange coin. I covered Leo a few weeks ago, or last week I think, and I received some how to say it, some critics of it, of shilling it, but it's doing quite well. Broke up today, making me very, very happy. Big push, not a lot of volume, but yeah, big push, looking good. BNB, well, what was it, 50% up today. I would be looking to take profit over here. Rises like these are not really sustainable. I don't know why it is pumping so hard, but yeah, just take your profits. Dogecoin, my favorite short. I'm very bearish on Dogecoin. It doesn't look that bad actually, you know. You could also draw a line over here, I think. Let me see, yeah, something like that on a breakup. But you know, it's still very, very far away from my entries of my shorts. My short was basically over there. It was at over here, exactly there. Elon was tweeting a couple days back or a week ago, and you could see, you know, like Elon's tweets didn't have any effect on the price anymore. So that's when you know a top is in. And then something else. Somebody asked me some advice, you know, about targets and stuff. Like targets on a higher time frame are very hard to call. Why? Because you really need to understand when liquidity is drying up, when spot buying stops, and stuff like that. And you know, it can change within an hour, within 1 week. Everything can change, everything. So I'm all open to teach you guys how to do that. But right now, you know, like you're probably a genius, you longed your longs. But the bull market will end someday. And if you don't have a trading strategy, like one Don Ton says over here, market will take all your money, like everything. No exceptions, it will take all of it. So trade spot, trade very safe, and if you're with leverage, and if you're new, you will lose everything when the market reverses. And I'm just being very honest. I've seen it happen too many times, even in a big bull market, people lose everything. I get the DMs and everything, and people start asking for money, asking you to lend them money, and I'm like, what? You ask me to lend money? No. I do offer a course, of course. It's not that expensive, and it will teach you all about calling tops and calling bottoms. Exactly what you need. Technical analysis is one thing, but you need liquidity and sentiment to execute the perfect trades. So, Bitcoin, I mean, 55K round number, big resistance, but as it is right now, you know, spot is still buying, and yeah, I don't know when it happens. When it stops, I will be the first one to get out of my long. Yeah, that's basically it. It's looking very good right now. Supports, you know, like first support is 52K, 52.5K. And yeah, that is basically it. We broke this trend line as well. Very nice. Over here. Yeah, it's looking very good. Nothing to this can go up more. Ethereum will probably be next. Ethereum BTC, you know, will hurt as long as Bitcoin goes up. Link, probably all-time highs. Leo, pumping nice and hard. Very good. BNB, yeah, it's going up too much too fast. It's about 50% today, so yeah, watch out. Probably should take profit or get out of your margin longs. Doge, I hope 0. So yeah, that is about that. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the videos, what I need to improve on. And yeah, if you want some trading advice, contact me through Twitter DMs or ask in the comments about the course and everything. And yeah, for now, I'm bullish on everything. When it stops, I'll probably tweet about it. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. See you guys again tomorrow.